Hi, I'm Steve and we're back in the engine room today. We're building a new, restoring a new 964 engine. We have the crankcase here and we have the crank here, the rods, pistons, which we're going to gap later on. We've had the new small end bushes done, so everything will be cleaned up, gapped and assembled to go on the crank. So here are the barrels and pistons for the backdate car, and which we'll see shortly, and this is coming along nicely. And we'll go and see what Joe's up to.
Hi, it's Joe again. Finished my 944 engine, that's now in the car and running. We'll leave the guys to run that in while I crack on with the next project. So we've got a 68 short wheelbase, it's Viper green. I'm just unpacking all the stuff that's been cleaned. So this engine's for a racing driver. He wants a little bit something special. So it's a 3.2 that's going into it. It's going to have some Gen V throttle bodies put on. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit more punchy and a bit more responsive. Figure out everything, lay it all out, see what parts we need to order, and then get building.